Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Are you okay? I am fine, alhamdulillah. Today I am going to make a special cake for my brother Adan. So let's see the ingredients. First we have some cake mix, 3 eggs, sugar, oil and milk. Now we have a bowl. So we have this cake mix. You can use any cake mix. So we're gonna put 1 cup of cake mix. One tablespoon of sugar, 3 eggs, and then we're going to mix it. After we're gonna mix it, now we're going to use some oil, 1/2 cup of oil. Now we're gonna add some room temperature milk, 1/2 cup. Now we're gonna mix it. We're going to use a beater to make it good. Done. Now it's ready. Now we're going to bake it. Going to have it 190 degrees of 20 minutes. Our cake is ready. Now we are going to decorate it. Now our whipped cream is ready. We are going to decorate it. Our cake is finished and it's so yummy. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, comments down below and put the notification bell on for more videos. Allah Hafiz.